Warning: that shiny new electric nail trimmer for your pet could be more dangerous than you think. While it promises convenience, it may also hide serious risks that could harm your furry friend. Picture this: you're trimming your dog's nails, feeling confident as they seem calm. But beneath that surface, danger lurks. Many pet owners overlook critical warning signs that indicate something is wrong. Those quick snips might be causing unseen pain, and improper technique can lead to severe injuries. Imagine trying to trim your cat's nails while they squirm. You might dismiss it as typical behavior, but that squirming could signal discomfort or distress. Ignoring these signs can result in cuts that lead to bleeding, infections, and even lasting trauma. Now, consider this: at your next vet visit, you learn your dog has a small infection on their paw. Suddenly you recall that last nail trim and how they flinched. It's a harsh realization that convenience can come at a painful price. Before you grab that electric trimmer again, take a moment to reflect on your pet's reactions. Are you willing to risk their well-being for ease? Understanding their body language could mean the difference between a safe grooming experience and a painful ordeal. As we wrap this up, think about the subtle signs your pet shows. Youth are often trying to communicate their feelings, and it's our job to listen. So the next time you consider using that electric nail trimmer, pause and tune into your pet's needs. Their comfort should always come first. If this resonates, share it with other pet owners. Appreciate the insight. Have you ever noticed your pet's expression when you reach for those electric nail trimmers? That uncomfortable twitch and those wide eyes trying to communicate something important. Many pet owners don't realize their furry friends might be showing signs of distress. It's not just a little squirming, it's a cry for help that often goes unnoticed. Imagine your dog sitting in the grooming chair, nails exposed, while the buzzing sound fills the air. You might think it's just a routine trim, but for some pets, that noise alone can trigger unexpected anxiety. Now picture this: after a long day, you want to give your cat a quick manicure. But as you approach, you notice her ears flicking back and her tail twitching. Is she just being fussy, or is there something more? Many believe electric trimmers are the best way to achieve quick and easy nail care. However, they come with hidden risks that can impact your pet's mental well-being. The vibrations, noise, and sudden movements can create a whirlwind of stress. A pet's heart rate can spike. They may start panting or even try to escape. You might think they're just being dramatic, but every signal matters. How often have you brushed off these signs, thinking it's just a phase? Ignoring their anxiety can lead to long-term behavioral problems, leaving you puzzled about why your pet has suddenly become skittish or aggressive during grooming. Before considering alternatives, let's step back. Imagine being in their paws, unable to communicate and trapped in a situation that feels threatening. That's the reality they face when we overlook their feelings. So, what's the alternative? It starts with understanding. Consider using manual nail clippers or a gentle grinder made specifically for pets. These options are quieter and can create a more positive experience. But here's the key: it's not just about the tool you choose, it's also about your approach. Build trust with your pet, take your time, and create a calming environment. That's how you can turn a dreaded chore into a bonding moment. Your pet relies on you to recognize those stress signals. How often do we truly pause to listen? The next time nail day rolls around, remember the hidden risks and approach it with love and patience. If this message resonates with you, we'd love to hear your experiences in the comments. Let's build a community that understands and supports our furry friends. Have you ever noticed your pet panicking when you pull out the nail trimmers? It's a familiar scene for many of us, but their reaction might indicate something more serious. For many, nail trimming is just a routine chore, yet there's a hidden risk with electric trimmers that we often overlook. Have you considered how your pet truly feels about them? Their anxiety might run deeper than you think. Imagine this: you're ready for a quick grooming session, but the moment you turn on the trimmer, your furry friend bolts. This is just a simple dislike of noise. It taps into a complex world of instinct and fear. Many pet owners unknowingly make a significant mistake by choosing electric trimmers, believing they're the fastest and most efficient option. However, pets can sense vibrations and sounds that we can't, triggering a profound fear response and making them associate the trimmer with danger. Picture your dog or cat heart racing, trying to escape what should be a straightforward grooming task. It's truly heartbreaking, isn't it? This is just about cutting nails, it's about trust. Each time they feel that fear, it chips away at the bond you've built together. Now let's dig a little deeper. What if that fear leads to behavioral issues? Anxiety, aggression, or even avoidance of you could stem. It's not just a grooming session, it could impact their overall well-being. So what can you do? Before reaching for that trimmer again, consider alternatives that won't cause distress. There are quieter, gentler tools available, options that won't send your pet running for cover. The key takeaway here is understanding your pet's reaction. They aren't just free companions, they're sensitive beings with their own fears. By treating them with care, grooming can transform into a bonding experience rather than a struggle. Next time you grab the trimmers, take a moment to observe your pet. You might discover that small changes can lead to a much happier grooming experience for both of you. Keep this in mind, and your pet will show their appreciation in their own special way.